So, good morning everyone. I am Christian Talibong Piado. Um, I am now presenting my XML file about family members. Ay, pagayag mo. So, our first member of the family is my grandmother from the mother side, named Yolanda Gadotlaga. Nickname is Yuning. Living in Lower Hassan, Misamis Oriental. And her old occupation was meat dealer. And the second member of the family is my grandmother from the father side, named Conchita Villa Bonilla. Her nickname was Inday, living in Malacanang, Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. Her occupation is a housewife. Next is my grandfather from my mother's side, named Demosthenes Gamulo Talibong. Nickname is Dumeng, living in the Lower Hassan, Misamis Oriental. And his old occupation was a meat dealer. Fourth person is my grandfather on my father's side, named Crisanto Prado Piado. Nickname is Pedro, living in Malacanang, Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija with my grandmother. His occupation was farmer. So let's proceed with my parents, which is first is my mother, named Joraline Laga Talibong. Na siya'y pasobra. Full name. And nickname is Linlin, age 54, living in Lower Hassan, Misamis Oriental. And she is a government employee. So next is father. My father's name is Cesar Bonilla Piado. Nickname is Balong. He passed away last August, aging 67 years old. But I only put deceased there kay dili na madugangan ang iyang edad. Living at Lower Hassan, Misamis Oriental, also a meat dealer. Now let's proceed with the siblings. So first is my name, Christian Talibong Piado, nickname Tian, age 22. Hobbies are badminton, cooking, and especially eating. Next is my older brother, Cesar Talibong Piado Jr. Nickname also is Balong, aging 31 years old. His hobbies was playing ML, riding motorcycle. Next is Jean Laika Talibong Piado. Nickname Laika, age 23. Her hobbies was badminton, cooking, and eating also. The fourth child is our eldest brother, named Jeremy Talibong Piado. Nickname is Eng Eng, age 16 years old. His hobbies was basketball, badminton, and also riding motorcycle. So let's proceed with my three genuine friends. So first naming Gwen Orjales, female, 20 years old, living in Barangay Dos, Balingisag, Misamis Oriental. What makes her a good or a genuine friend? She was there at my lowest, so probably she will always be there at my highest. Second genuine friend is Brian Akaw, male, 20 years old also, living at Kauswagan, Kauswagan, Lagunglong, Misamis Oriental. What makes him a genuine friend? One of the reason why I considered him as a genuine friend is he motivates me always. So, last genuine friend is named Johnville Gumahin. Male, 20 years old also, living at Kauswagan, Nagunglong, Misamis Oriental. Reason why I considered him as a good friend is he always makes me laugh. He is one of my funniest friend or genuine friend. So, this XML file ends with family member, and this activity is our requirement for our midterm exam. Once again, I am Cristian Talibong Piado from BSIT third year. Have a great day, everyone. Hoy!
We're shot in the closed door.